All right, more work being done. So while our granddaughter plays on what she calls Rock Mountain, Grandpa will continue to level out the RV carport, and I'm going to start raking the ground because I don't know what kind of people lived here, but there is trash all throughout this grass. So what do you do on an off-grid property? You work all day long, but it's so rewarding. Okay, so we're gonna try to fill in this hole. And there's a hole that he's filling right now with some extra dirt. So someday we'll tell you the interesting story about this property. There was an FBI raid on this property, and so there's all these random holes dug everywhere because they were looking for stolen money and bodies and who knows what. And all of this comes from the neighbors telling us the story, and we found it in the newspaper. So it's interesting to walk around and find random holes dug in weird places. So we're burying one because we're going to put the outhouse right in front of you by those trees that we'll probably take out.
Pirates?
Yes, we'll play pirates. I want to be a good pirate. So I don't know what people find interesting and what they want to watch because this is new to us. But buying an off-grid piece of property with an old cabin on it requires a lot of work to clean it. It was full of junk. So we showed you after the fact. We pulled out all that carpet. We have a ton of junk that we have in the front yard that we are going to take to the dump. So I'll just let this roll. Okay, we're going to take a break from working because the neighbor told us that there's a well dug in here under the cabin, which is, we just discovered this giant pipe. So now we're curious, is this the well?
Nope.
No, that's just dirt.
Nope, just a drain.
Bummer.
Yeah, all right. All right, Harper. You throw me down there. Yeah, I'll throw you some wire cutters. You're gonna need wire cutters. Throw me down that screen under your armpit. There you go. See a pry bar? That whole wall is moving.
Oh my god. Yeah, I need a pry bar. It's nailed on.
Grandpa.
Okay, let me get you a pry bar. There you go.
Grandpa.
There you go.
Grandpa, I want to show you something.
Right to my leg. My leg.
Grandpa,
Okay, honey, here's the wire cutters. You want them? I gotta go get a wire cutter. Good catch. Harper!
I want to show you something.
Oh, hold on. I gotta help Grandma. Cut one wire at a time, yeah. Just drop her down. Did you get that on camera?
Yes. Ready? If you can hear me, we're trying to clear our property line.
Kids, don't ever try this at home. I got my wedge stuck, and then I was trying to get my wedge unstuck with my axe, hammered it in. Now it's stuck, so the only way out is another axe, my final axe. And do I get it stuck? Well, we'll find out as this continues. I got to get my other axe. So between 3 wedges, I should be able to get this thing split. Let's try it again. Front wedge. It's getting big. Cracking open.
What, baby?
She's a going. Almost there. It's cracked. The third axe, or the third wedge, is what did it.
You are lucky.
Woo-hoo-hoo! I could have lost that baby.
Okay, so we are about to light up this little mini stove for the first time to burn off all the stinky stuff.
Paint.
Paint. The stinky paint. And this is a made in America, and look at how cute that is. So this stove will eventually go in there. This handsome, smart man built a room that will be built on top of that ATV door that will come down and be level. And this little wood stove.
It'll be called a ramper room.
Ramper room. That's almost not rated G. So there'll be a little room on there, and it'll keep us warm. And so we're firing it up for the first time. So our goal is to have this done before winter. So stay tuned. This will eventually be a video.
Yep. Drafting.
Cool. Oh, we're gonna have a nice little fire in the RV this winter.
Mm-hmm.
Can you see the fire through the door?
Not really. I mean, you can to a certain degree.
And that's the vent.
Oh. Yep. Here, let's take this off and just do it like that. There we go. And then here's your vent. You can tone it down.
So you're obviously
Turn
gonna
it
have
up.
to have gloves.
That's high and low. And there's your vent. High and low.
And you can cook on top.
You can cook on top. Oh, wow, that's hot.
Oh yeah, I would
It's hot
think.
already. Doesn't take long.
Okay, now we're gonna set it up and see how long this will burn as a test.
Yep.
Do 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 do
Water.
do 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 do. It's 11:55. That's when we started the test. Okay, so we had to feed it. It's been an hour. And we had to feed it some more kindling to make a bed of coals and another piece of wood. So maybe we'll test it tomorrow with a Presto log and see if that lasts longer.